So I'm at Hell's Kitchen, which is a restaurant really close to the Hilton that I'm staying. And I just want to say about this video, it's very disjointed and I could try to put it in order, but I started with the room and then I just kind of piecemealed whatever I could. So even the entry to the hotel is the very last thing that you see. But anyway, here we go. Happy hour at Hell's Kitchen. It's a couple blocks away. I think you'll really like it. I went to I think it's called the News, which is a block away. Pretty good. Good drinks. Food not so great, but it was okay. And then I went to Manello's, which is an Italian restaurant a couple blocks away. Really good. I'd call it fancy because it's not your traditional Italian food. It's not like you're going to get lasagna or Alfredo or anything, but it was good. And I'm here for a conference, which you'll see a picture of me at the very end. So I'm here for a tech conference. But anyway, so that is my review. It's not a review. And one more thing is they never cleaned my room. They set an appointment to clean my room at 9 this morning. They never did. That's okay. I'm going to keep saying that's okay because I really don't care, but I just know they're short-staffed, and apparently downtown Minneapolis just opened up, from what I hear, like a couple weeks ago for the most part for some restaurants, so it's been pretty hard down here, I suppose. I don't know the story. And somebody else, and then also another good place is called the Devil's Advocate, so they've got a good happy hour, so that's it. Hilton, I haven't made a video in a long time. And have a great day. See y'all later. Hilton, Minneapolis, Marquette Street, downtown. This is the room. Go a little slower. I'm here for a conference. Nice bathroom, lots of counter space. They're super nice. My plane got here, landed from LaGuardia, but I started in Richmond. But it landed here like around a little after 10, and they let me in quite a bit earlier, so that was super nice of them. And even if I couldn't get a room, I could have used the gym, which that would have been nice too, but got some work to do. So I checked my bags, of course, if I needed to, but I don't because they let me in the room. So I kind of like 2 beds. Some people don't because they want a big king size bed. I like to put my stuff on one bed, just like lay it out. So that's the bed. And I think also it's really important is all the plugs. You need lots of plugs when you're traveling. And this, I'm pretty sure, is going to be super easy to hook up my Roku player. Coffee maker, mini fridge. Okay. The most important thing, besides the room, is the view. So, view's not too bad. And I don't know what else I could, at least I'm not like within a foot of another building. So this is the view. I guess they only give you half moisturizing lotion now. I actually really like these because I take them and use them all over the place, put them in my purse. I guess housekeeping doesn't vacuum under desks. Good size interior pool. sorry. Early. Outside of the health club. So you have a UPS store here if you need to, and usually this is when there's conferences, people deliver all sorts of stuff here, like marketing materials they want to give out at the booths. Here's the actual different ballrooms. Here is the lobby from above. And the elevators are to the left when you walk in, but you need to go into check-in, which is over there. We'll be on the first floor later. And you come back here.